How renovation loans can help homebuyers find a house faster in today's market. Are you looking to purchase a fixer-upper or a property that needs repairs? Renovation loans may be the solution you've been looking for. In this video, we'll discuss 4 popular types of renovation loans: the FHA 203K loan, VA renovation loan, Fannie Mae Homestyle loan, and Freddie Mac ChoiceRenovation loan. Using a renovation loan to purchase a fixer-upper or a property that needs repairs can make more houses available on the market for homebuyers. These homes are often priced lower than move-in ready homes, giving buyers an opportunity to purchase in areas that may have been out of reach. By updating and improving the property, you can also increase its value, which is beneficial for the real estate market as a whole. Now, let's take a closer look at the 4 most popular types of renovation loans. The Fannie Mae Homestyle loan is a conventional renovation loan that allows borrowers to finance up to 75% of the home's value after renovations have been completed. Borrowers have the flexibility to hire their own contractors and complete the renovations on their own timeline. The Homestyle loan is a good option for borrowers with good credit and a significant down payment. The FHA 203K loan is a government-backed renovation loan that can be used for both purchase and refinance transactions. This loan allows borrowers to finance up to 110% of the home's value after renovations have been completed. All renovations must be completed by a HUD-approved contractor, and the loan has specific requirements for the types of repairs and renovations that can be completed. The FHA 203K loan is a good option for borrowers with lower credit scores and a smaller down payment. The VA renovation loan is a government-backed renovation loan that is available to eligible veterans, active duty service members, and surviving spouses. This loan allows borrowers to finance up to 100% of the home's value after renovations have been completed. All renovations must be completed within 90 days, and the loan has specific requirements for the types of repairs and renovations that can be completed. The VA renovation loan is a good option for eligible borrowers who are looking to purchase a home that needs repairs. The Freddie Mac ChoiceRenovation loan is a conventional renovation loan that allows borrowers to finance up to 75% of the home's value after renovations have been completed. Borrowers have the flexibility to choose from a variety of financing options, including fixed and adjustable rate mortgages. The Choice Renovation loan is a good option for borrowers with good credit and a significant down payment. At MacLagan Home Loans, we specialize in renovation loans and can help you navigate the process. Our experienced team can guide you through the application and approval process, helping you choose the loan that best fits your needs. We can also help you understand the specific requirements of each loan and provide guidance on the types of repairs and renovations that can be completed. With MacLagan Home Loans, you can rest assured that you'll have the support and expertise you need to successfully complete your renovation project. Voiceover. In conclusion, renovation loans can be a great option for homebuyers who are looking to purchase a fixer-upper or make necessary repairs to a property. The Fannie Mae Homestyle loan, FHA 203K loan, and Freddie Mac ChoiceRenovation loan are 3 of the most popular types of renovation loans available, each with their own unique benefits and requirements. Contact MacLagan Home Loans today to learn more about how we can help you get the renovation loan you need to turn your dream home into a reality. To learn more, take our 30-second homebuyer survey below.